Hi friends, na videos marikontamandiki reach avvadaniki please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we have to learn days of the week in both Telugu and English. First one is Sunday. S-U-N sun, D-A-Y day, Sunday. Adivaramu. Second one is Monday. M-O-N man, D-A-Y day, Monday. Somavaramu. Somavaramu. Third one is Tuesday. T-U-E-S Tues, D-A-Y day, Tuesday. Mangalavaramu. Fourth one is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Budavaramu. Fifth one is Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Guruvaramu. Sixth one is Friday. Sukravaramu. Last one is Saturday. Senivaramu. Once again I repeat. First one is Sunday.